Today I will be doing a short tutorial video demonstrating how to unlock any phone out there, no matter if your phone is an old model or the newest model.
This is a factory unlock and we will do it together step by step. It is very simple. I have unlocked more than 100 phones using this method, and today I will show you how to factory unlock your iPhone. For this example, I'm going to be using my new iPhone SE, but this method will work for any other iPhone out there. To get your phone unlocked, you simply need your phone, you need access to internet so you can use your computer, or as long as you have internet connection on your phone or anywhere, you will be able to unlock your phone. And of course, you're gonna need a cable to connect your phone to the computer. That's all we need to unlock this iPhone. And with that said, let's begin. Now, we have to get the phone's IMEI number. Simply open the phone application and dial *#06#, and you will see that the IMEI number of this phone will show up. All right, make sure you are running on the latest iOS version. So make sure your phone is updated. Simply go to Settings, General, Software Update, and make sure that your phone is currently updated to the latest version. This is very important. Up next, we're gonna insert a SIM card from a different carrier. For example, my phone is locked to AT&T. I'm gonna use a SIM card from T-Mobile. So I'm just gonna remove the SIM card tray, and I'm gonna insert a SIM card from T-Mobile. I'm just gonna put it right here, and I'm gonna insert it back into my iPhone. It can be any SIM card as long as it's different from the original carrier. The next step is to connect your iPhone to the computer using the USB cable. So we're gonna go ahead and connect it, and we're gonna run iTunes, the latest version of iTunes, in the computer. So we're gonna wait a couple of seconds, and you should get this message that basically confirms that the iPhone has been successfully unlocked. Boom. There you go, guys. That's how you unlock an iPhone. And as you can see here, my phone is running on T-Mobile. I have a full signal bar, and my phone is now fully factory unlocked, and I can use it with any carrier in any country. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below, and we will try to answer them as quick as possible. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.